Hello everyone, and welcome to English Galactic Beacon channel.
I have been thinking about my first speech all week. Even though it's short, it feels like a mountain. Just the idea of standing in front of people, this thought has been making my hands sweat. Still, something inside me has been saying, try it. Just this once. I have been writing my speech quietly after dinner. My notebook is full of scratched-out words and second thoughts. The speech has been keeping me up at night, but I don't want to give up. Each night, I have been standing in front of the mirror, trying to speak without shaking. Just then, my sister called. My phone lit up. She had sent me another voice message. "You've been forgetting to breathe again," she teased gently. "Slow down. You've been doing great." She has been sending me these messages all week. She has been reminding me to believe in myself. Even though she's far away, she has been staying close through her voice. It has been helping more than she knows. My best friend, Ria, she has been helping me after school. She has been reading my speech with me, line by line. We have been meeting in the quiet library, just the two of us. We have been sitting together with open books and soft voices. And when I forget a word, Riyadh just smiles, not correcting, just caring. Tonight, I have been practicing in front of the mirror again and again. Then my brother peeked into the room with a juice box in hand. "Practicing again?" he grinned. "You've been talking to yourself like a cartoon villain." I rolled my eyes. But he wasn't wrong. He has been teasing me every day, but I know he means well. He has been trying to make me laugh. And it's been working. Even in sleep, I have been thinking about the speech. Some nights, I dream that my classmates, they are all clapping. Other nights, I freeze and forget every word. But no matter what, each morning I wake up and try again. Because I have been slowly building my courage. Today, since the moment I woke up, I have been repeating my lines in my head. The bell rings. My teammates and we have been waiting outside the classroom. Other students, they have been whispering and laughing. Not unkindly, just curious. I have been trying not to panic. This moment has been the longest 5 minutes of my life. I walk in. My voice is not loud. But I speak, word by word, sentence by sentence. I have been scared. I have been unsure. But I have also been preparing, practicing, and hoping. And in the end, I didn't run away. I stood there. I spoke. Even when I thought I couldn't, I have proved myself wrong. Sometimes we give up too soon. But when we try and keep trying, we grow stronger than we think. Today, I have taken my first step. Now, let's understand the grammar behind the story. What is present perfect continuous? The present perfect continuous tense is used when something started in the past and is still happening now, or has just stopped, but we can still feel the result. We use present perfect continuous to talk about actions that began in the past and are still going on now. Temporary situations. Actions that have just stopped but still matter now. To focus on how long something has been happening. Structure. Subject plus have, or has plus been plus verb ing. Present participle. Use have for I, you, we, they. Use has for he, she, and it. Examples. I have been speaking. She has been preparing. We have been waiting. Now let's go into the story. I have been preparing for this day for weeks. The preparation started long ago, and I'm still feeling it. My teacher has been helping me every evening. She started before and has continued every day. We have been practicing in an empty classroom. It's not just one day. It has been happening regularly. I have been writing and rewriting my speech. It's been a long process, and I just finished it today. They have been encouraging me, with kind words. Their support has been ongoing until now. What does this tense show us? These are actions that started earlier and are still true now, or just recently ended. Use case 1. Actions that started in the past and continue now. I have been preparing for this speech for 2 weeks. It started 2 weeks ago, and I'm still preparing. She has been helping me since Monday. Help started before and is still happening. We have been practicing every day. Not just today, it's been a continuous process. Use words like for, since, recently, and all day to show how long the action has been happening. Use case 2, repeated actions still happening. I have been reading my speech out loud again and again. This has happened many times, and I might still continue. My friends have been clapping every time I finish. The action is repeated and still happening. Common mistakes. I have been gave my speech today. Wrong verb form. We don't use gave. I have been giving my speech. She has been finish her notes. Finish must be finishing. She has been finishing her notes. We have been did rehearsal.
Did is past.
Use doing. We have been doing rehearsal. Bonus tips to understand present perfect continuous easily. Look for how long questions. If you can answer how long something has been happening, this tense is often correct. How long have you been preparing? I have been preparing for 2 weeks. Use time expressions. Words like these often go with this tense. For a period of time, for 2 weeks, for a long time, since a point in time, since Monday, since last month, recently, lately, all day, this week. Focus on actions, not results. This tense is about the process, not just the final result. I have been practicing. We care that it's still happening or just finished. Not just I practiced. Don't forget the been. One common mistake is forgetting been. She has helping me. She has been helping me. Actions may just stop, but we still feel it. Even if the action just ended, we can still use this tense if we feel the result now. I'm tired. I have been practicing a lot. Practice is done, but the effect, tiredness, is now.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.